In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a 2-liter soda bottle into 2 liters of liquid laundry detergent. So this is a concentrated formula, and I'm actually going to dilute this, and I'm just going to put this into a commercial laundry detergent bottle as well. But you can use it as is, and you'll just use a 1/4 cup of that. But I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to need is borax, 20 ml tin borax. You're going to need washing soda. We don't have any available. And I have another video, and it shows you how to turn baking soda into washing soda. So this is washing soda as well. And then you're going to need Dawn dish soap. And then I have a large container here with just under 8 cups of water. So I'm going to put that in the microwave real quick as I get everything prepared. And this can heat up for about 10 minutes. And when I get everything ready, I'll just pull it out and pour it in. But I'll let that warm up while we go. So first thing I'm going to do is take my container. I'm just going to cut this label off. I don't need it to say Dr. Pepper. So then what we're going to do, we need to have, you should have, it makes it a lot easier, is a dry funnel. So I have this dry funnel here. And then I'm going to take my 20 ml tin borax. I'm going to take a 1/2 cup of that. And I'm just going to pour that right into the container. And that's just going to work its way down. Next, we're going to take a 1/2 cup of our washing soda, and we'll just pour that in. And this isn't as crystalline, it's a little bit more powdery than the borax, so you do have to work a little bit harder to get that to go in. And then the next step for a lot of people is they'll actually add the Dawn dish soap right now, and then they add the water. And the problem with that is it's going to make a lot of suds and bubbles as you add the water. So if you add the water first, it's going to allow it to dissolve the powder at the bottom, and then you can add the liquid and you won't get all the bubbles to start. So now what we'll do is we're going to remove our water, and that's warm. So the warmer that is, the better. They call it a super concentrated solution, and the warmer it is, the more of the powder will actually dissolve down there. So then you're going to have a wet funnel, and because I'm doing this by myself, I'm going to use a small measuring cup so I can record, and I'm just going to end up pouring these 8 cups in here. Pour this big container in there, but I'm going to have to turn the video off so I can do it with 2 hands. And now I've added that warm water, and I'm just going to put the cap on, and then I'm just going to shake this vigorously. And right now you can see all of the powder that's on the bottom, so we're just going to go to town. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to shake it for about a minute. Probably doesn't need that long, but give her a go. Okay, so we've got that shaken up. We're just going to tip it, and then I'm going to let it fall back. And then you can see there's still right there at the bottom, but the majority of it has, just at this little piece here, has dissolved. So now we'll just take the cap off, and as you can see I shook it vigorously, and I didn't get a lot of bubbles. In fact, I got none. Next, you'll take your 1/2 cup of Dawn. Always add a little bit more, just because it doesn't all pour out. So just a tad bit over a 1/2 cup. And then, as you can see, there's a dark level. It's pretty light at the bottom still. You just recap it. Once you have that cap on, make sure it's tight. And you're just going to give it some shakes here. And we have 2 done. Your oven, you can just put these in right away. So I'm going to do that real quick.